The 2025 JAC Journey Camper van doesn't just look good, it's built with practicality in mind. From the moment you see it, the deep dark red finish stands out, giving it a bold, adventurous personality. The body is crafted with a mix of high-strength steel and aluminum to keep it light yet durable, perfect for both city driving and rougher terrains. The exterior also includes high-placed LED headlights, stylish daytime running lights, and rugged skid plates underneath, reinforcing its go-anywhere image. For long drives or camping, the roof-mounted solar panel option and built-in roof rails make it functional for off-grid life. Inside, the JAC Journey is a blend of compact design and space-maximizing engineering. The cabin layout is smartly organized, offering a swivel driver's seat, a fold-out dining table, and modular bed options. It sleeps 2 to 3 people comfortably, with additional seating for up to 5 when in drive mode. Materials are a mix of eco-friendly synthetics, soft-touch plastics, and aluminum trim. The flooring is water-resistant, a huge benefit for those bringing in dirt or moisture from the outdoors. It also has blackout blinds and insulated walls, ensuring comfortable sleep even in fluctuating temperatures. Connectivity and entertainment are front and center. The infotainment system includes a 10-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also onboard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple USB-C charging points throughout the cabin. A secondary control screen manages interior lighting, climate, and battery status. Some trims even come with a projector system that can be used indoors or outdoors, ideal for winding down at the campsite. The electric version of the Journey is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, offering 80 to 120 kWh depending on the model. On average, this gives a real-world driving range of around 350 to 400 kilometers, depending on load and terrain. Fast charging allows up to 80% battery in under 90 minutes using a high-capacity DC charger. For AC home charging, full top-up may take 6 to 8 hours. Regenerative braking also helps preserve range when descending hills or during city stop-and-go traffic. Diesel lovers won't be disappointed either. The 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine is robust and offers enough grunt to handle mountainous roads or towing a small trailer. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is achieved in about 12.5 seconds, not sports car fast, but more than acceptable for a loaded camper. Its torque delivery is strong, which helps with climbing steep grades even when fully packed. The diesel version also tends to be preferred by travelers who venture into remote regions where EV charging isn't available. In terms of road performance, the JAC Journey rides on a reinforced multi-link suspension that handles bumps and uneven terrain well. Its electronic stability control system, traction control, and hill descent assist make it safer on dirt roads or inclines. Braking is handled by 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, and the steering is electronically assisted, making it easier to maneuver such a large vehicle in tight spots. Ground clearance is moderate, about 180 mm, which is sufficient for gravel trails, though not extreme off-roading. Another key advantage is its modular energy system. Buyers can opt for solar panels, a lithium battery bank, and an inverter setup that powers all onboard devices, including the fridge, lights, fans, and even a small microwave. There's also a freshwater tank of around 100 liters, a greywater tank for waste, and an optional hot water system for showers. Heating and cooling systems are split, with a diesel heater for cold climates and rooftop AC for hotter regions. Maintenance and after-sales support will depend on your country. In China, JAC has over 700 service points, and the Journey will be supported by an expanding electric service network. In markets like Pakistan, UAE, and Australia, it's expected to roll out via authorized distributors who will also handle spares, accessories, and tech support. Warranty coverage is expected to be 3 years or 100,000 kilometers for the vehicle and up to 8 years for the battery system on electric variants. What really makes the JAC Journey compelling is its price-to-feature ratio. With a base price starting around $70,000 USD, it competes directly with models that often cost 30 to 40% more. While it may not have the brand prestige of a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter or Winnebago, it brings high practicality, tech integration, and an appealing modern design. It's clearly aimed at a younger generation of travelers and digital nomads looking for mobility and comfort without the usual premium markup. For anyone seeking a well-equipped, efficient, and tech-savvy camper that balances utility with affordability, the 2025 JAC Journey should be on the shortlist. It's not a rugged off-roader nor a luxury lounge on wheels, but what it does deliver is freedom, value, and a clear step forward in JAC's design and engineering evolution. Whether you plan to cruise coastal highways or chase sunsets across mountain ranges, this camper can take you there with confidence and style.